The application that we are going to install along this class is a very important and useful application. I'm talking about Postman. Postman is an application that is going to allow us to perform or make HTTP requests to whatever URL that we need, and that includes our local or public RESTful API. With Postman, we can specify different HTTP methods like put, get, post, delete, etc. in a very easy way. So Postman is going to be very useful along the course in order to check the functionality and the features of our RESTful API. Postman has different implementations. One of them comes with the Google Chrome browser. Another is a desktop application. So I know that maybe you are not a Google Chrome user, and unfortunately this Postman application does not exist for Firefox. So what we are going to do is to install the desktop version that is available for several operating systems, and in fact it is a very good idea to not have any kind of dependency between our Postman and our browser. So let's go to search it to download. Go to getpostman.com, and here you can select your operating system accordingly. In the case of Windows, we can download the 64-bit version. And when downloading process is done, we just need to proceed with the installation that is going to be automatically performed by Postman. To install the application, you just need to click here as usual, and it is going to perform all the process for you. If you want, you can create an account to start Postman, or not, you just can skip that. In this case, I just skip that, and you can see the Postman user interface that is very good, in fact, and we can see all the things that we can do. Of course, during the classes, we are going to see how to use some of the important features of Postman in order to be able to use and verify the functionalities of our RESTful API. We are down here. We have completely installed the main application on our systems. So, see you in the next class.